नमस्कार दोस्तों, कैसा चल रहा है आपका ये नया साल। ओमिक्रॉन के आने से ग्लोबल इकोनॉमीज हो गए हैं थोड़े से बेहाल। चलिए जानते हैं 2022 में कैसा रहेगा इन्वेस्टर का मोराल। Today we'll be looking at a few points that stick to 2022 like the New Year's calendar. While the impact of the pandemic continues, we can safely say that the economic toll has reduced. Vaccinations have increased, infection and death rates have also dropped. So, does that mean that the roller coaster ride is over? Well, the new year does bring new challenges such as inflation, rising fuel prices, but it also brings a dawn of new possibilities that we will look into today. To begin with, let's consider these challenges and notice the opportunities on its flip side. It has become clear that we are entering a rising interest rate and higher inflation environment. While this means higher costs and reduced profits for consumers and corporations, as an investor, this becomes an opportunity to get good returns from the banking and financial sector. As the pandemic shows signs of slowing down, the oil and natural gas prices look to touch the sky. Similarly, as analysts predict the $100 per barrel benchmark, the energy sector becomes a must-have for your portfolio. You can also take a look at some of our energy ETFs, as analysts maintain a strong buy recommendation on energy stocks for 2022. So that's all that's happening new in 2022. But is there anything we can accrue from the bull run of 2021? Absolutely. We are still in the new normal, and the economy looks set to go from strength to strength in certain sectors. Take one, tech innovations. While we have largely adapted to the digital life and work from home environment, the ongoing societal transformation is likely to shape up further with revolutionary technologies. Investors can look towards the evolving world of social media, AI, blockchain, e-commerce, robotics, or cloud and position their portfolio for growth. A few of our expert picks are mentioned on the screen for you. Take two, infrastructure spending. President Biden commissioned the law for infrastructure spending in 2021, inviting investment opportunities across communication services, industries, materials, and utilities sector. It is advisable for investors to look at ETFs from cyclical sectors which are likely to gain momentum heading into 2022. Take three, healthcare. It goes without saying that healthcare upgrades continue to be in demand. Investors can look at our healthcare stack, Health Lead, which is a curated portfolio of top-performing US pharma and biotech companies. You can also look at some of our other stacks, put together by experienced global portfolio managers and hedge fund managers with consistently higher CAGR for smarter returns. We'll leave a link for you in the description box below. To sum it up, most analysts keep a cautiously optimistic outlook and predict US equities outperforming other major markets once again in 2022. To invest globally, make sure you download the Stockle app from iOS and Android devices and watch this space for more updates on the US stock market. That's it from us today. Take care.